Speaker Pelosi now apparently telling senior Democrats she'd like to see Trump behind bars. Based on no actual crime, she wants a political opponent locked up in prison. That happens in banana republics. Coming up, you'll meet the mother. Her son, tonight, sitting in jail for taking a photo of a classified area on a submarine. Hillary Clinton is campaigning to be our next president. She should be the one in jail. Equal justice would mean Hillary goes to jail. Can Hillary go to jail? They put the fix-it and rig what would have put any other American in jail with Hillary. By the way, when is Hillary going to be charged? That was the president during the second presidential debate saying what a lot of Americans, including myself, think. Hillary Clinton needs to be prosecuted, or at least investigated, and then if there's evidence, prosecuted, and then the proper punishment. They know this FBI informant. He was in Putin's network. He has damaging information on the Clintons that potentially could send them to jail. Based on what you know, do you think Hillary Clinton should go to jail over the server scandal? People will be going to jail, I promise you.
Sean,
tonight, Hillary Clinton, follow my words, the media won't say it, she should be in jail, not on the campaign trail. Beyond serious stuff, this is go to jail type of things.
Somebody's got to go to jail over this, and not just the one who's been convicted and clammed
Who are
up.
the top people that are in jeopardy?
Well, I think Hillary Clinton, anybody at the DNC.
Eric Holder?
James Comey in particular, because, you know, he may have abused his office, and he could have done it for...
Mueller? Mueller knew.
No, covering it up to cry to Congress.
He should recuse himself. He should have recused
his duty. He should recuse himself.
Same with Rosenstein.
Absolutely. And Jeff Sessions needs to get off his duff and appoint a special counsel to investigate.
Immediately.
Hillary Clinton,
Yes.
Comey, Loretta Lynch.
Everybody.
Everybody.
Isn't the mishandling alone, Judge Jeanine, isn't that in and of itself a crime?
Yes.
I don't know how Hillary Clinton hasn't at least served some time in prison, given her background and what she's done.
Go ahead.
Yeah, well,
What's going on?
Well, that's the question. So why is not the FBI tonight finding out who these 5 leakers are? Why is not the FBI tonight sending agents to people's houses to find
Where's
out what's
Loretta
going on?
Lynch's investigation?
You know what?
Why isn't Hillary in jail,
Yes,
Jay?
Yeah, well, of course. But here's the thing, Sean. This is...